just now, and then she will eat. After she will eat, you will grab the questionnaire. You will answer those questionnaire.
I'll be the one.
No, the next one. The three. The three is left. So the three of you will answer.
Guys, excuse me. Guys, as you do the base station, if anybody or your representative will touch one, will go back against it. So make sure
May only paano to stop ko muna or pag ano? Stop ko muna.
12 minutes.
Adik ka!
Parang matangis.
You're finished. You'll stay over there and tell what's the question.
What happened?
Okay, guys, are we ready? We only have 5 minutes.
Hey. Stay lang! Kuhati ha!
Blindfold, start the blindfold.
Bakit dalawa sila dyan?
Start the blindfold. Start the blindfold.
Hi!
After you
Video yan, video. Video, hi, kasta.
first, all done.
Go! What's that? Slowly! Come on,
Sadi, go, Sadi.
Masama ang pakiramdam niya, na? Okay.
Make sure it's finished. Yeah, make sure it's
Go your back when you're done.
Swallow, swallow.
Stop. Tingnan ka, let me see. Balas.
So there is two question for your group, so you have to create. But
Pastor, next question. Next question, ready? Nobody will touch the letters.
properly the word should be readable. The word should be readable. To arrange it properly, guys, and give us a sign if you're done.
If you listen what our objective, that is the cue. So how many hands are here?
3. Wait, don't get here.
Shahada also.
Shahada, don't get here.
The words are for everyone.
So words are exact. So there's the words are just maybe your answer is wrong or maybe your answer is right because